Chapter 1. Large Numbers Around Us. Introduction. Children, our country India is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. Each state is unique in its culture, language, food, and traditions. But do you know something interesting?
What, ma'am?
Each state and union territory has a different number of people living in it. This number is called its population. Let us look at some union territories. Here are the population. Delhi 1,67,87,941. Jammu and Kashmir 1,22,67,032. Puducherry 12,47,953. Chandigarh 10,55,450. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu 5,85,764. Andaman and Nicobar Islands 3,80,581. Ladakh 2,74,000. Lakshadweep 64,473.
Ma'am, these numbers are so big.
Yes, that's why we must understand large numbers.
Which union territory has the smallest population?
Good question. Lakshadweep has a population less than 1 lakh. All the others have population more than 1 lakh. Before we move ahead, let us recall some numbers from previous classes.
I remember.
Tell me, what is the largest 3-digit, 4-digit and 5-digit numbers?
Largest 3-digit number is 999. Largest 4-digit number is 9,999. Largest 5-digit number is 99,999.
Excellent. Now tell me, what is the smallest 3-digit, 4-digit and 5-digit numbers?
Smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. Smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh or 100,000.
Very good. Large number. Children, have you heard of the Statue of Unity in Gujarat?
Yes, ma'am. It is the tallest statue in the world with a height of 182 meters.
Correct. It is cost 27 billion rupees to build.
27 billion. That's such a big number.
Exactly. Today we will learn how to understand such large numbers in lakhs and crores. Now look at the Burj Khalifa.
That building looks so tall.
It is 828 meters high, the tallest building in the world.
That's more than 4 times the Statue of Unity.
Very good observation. And here is Kunchikal Falls, the highest waterfall in India. Its height is 455 meters.
So large numbers help us compare heights.
India also has Chilka Lake, the largest lake in India. It covers 1,100 square kilometers.
These numbers are really big.
Yes, large numbers are used to measure height, cost, and area. We know that 1 lakh is read as 1 lakh.
Is 1 lakh a big number?
It depends. It is big when we talk about varieties of rice. Years in 1 lakh days. 1 lakh people standing in a line. But it may seem small when compared to the cost of the Statue of Unity, the number of hair on a human head, eggs laid by some fish.
So a number can be big or small depending on what we compare it with.
Absolutely. Now let's learn how to read and write numbers beyond 1 lakh. In the Indian place value system, we separate the number in ones, thousands, and lakhs period. Lakhs period has 2 places, 10 lakh, lakh. Thousands period has 2 places, 10,000, thousand. Ones period has 3 places, 100, tens and ones. We say the number as 5,60,785. And in words, 5,60,785. In the International Place Value System, we separate the numbers in ones, thousands, and millions period. Millions period has 3 places, 100 million, 10 million, and million. Thousands period has 3 places, 100,000, 10,000, and thousand. Ones period has 3 places, 100, tens, and ones. We say the number as 6,342,508. And in words, 6,342,508. Land of thousands, hundreds and tens. I have brought 3 very unusual calculators.
Unusual? Do they look different?
Yes, each calculator has only one button.
Only one button? How can we make numbers with that?
That's the exciting part. These calculators increase numbers in fixed steps. Let me introduce them to you. The thoughtful thousands, it has only a plus 1,000 button. Every time you press it, the number increases by 1,000.
So if I press it 3 times, I get 3,000?
Exactly. The handy hundreds, it has only a plus 100 button. Each press adds 100.
If I press it 5 times, I get 500.
Correct. The tedious tens, it has only a plus 10 button. Each press adds 10.
So to get 90, I press it 9 times?
Well done. Creative Chitti. I want you to meet a very special calculator, Creative Chitti.
What's special about it, ma'am?
Unlike the other calculators, Creative Chitti has many buttons. Plus 1, plus 10, plus 100, plus 1,000, plus 10,000, plus 1 lakh and plus 10 lakhs.
So it can make small and big numbers.
Yes, today we will see how many different ways we can make the number 4058. Let's use place value first. 4058 is equal to 4 times 1000 plus 0 times 100 plus 5 times 10 plus 8 times 1.
That's simple. Just break it according to place values.
But Creative Chitti allows us to think differently. What if we press the plus 100 button many times instead? Since 1000 is equal to 10 times 100, we can write 3 times 1000 plus 10 times 100 plus 5 times 10 plus 8 times 1.
Because 10 hundreds make 1000.
Very good. Indian system of numeration. Children, have you ever seen a big number like 987-56 and felt confused?
Yes, ma'am. All the digits look mixed up.
That's why we use the Indian system of numeration. It helps us read and write large numbers easily by placing commas correctly. In the Indian system of numeration, there are 4 periods: crores, lakhs, thousands and ones. There are 3 places in the ones period: ones, tens, hundreds, to places in the thousands period, thousands, 10,000s, to places in the lakhs period, lakhs, 10 lakhs. To places in the crores period, crores, 10 crores. So, we place commas from the right side of the number according to these periods. Example, 987256. Let's put commas step by step. Start from the right. Take the first 3 digits from the right 256. After the first 3 digits, place commas after every 2 digits. Remaining digits are 987. Split into groups of 2 from the right as 9 and 87. Now write the number with commas, 9,87,256.
Now it looks much easier to read. 9,87,256.
International System of Numeration. We have another system of numeration to read number. That is International System of Numeration.
Is it different from the Indian system, ma'am?
Yes. A little different, especially in how we place commas. In this system, the periods are ones, thousands, millions, and billions. In the ones period we have 3 places, ones, tens, hundreds. In the thousands period we have 3 places, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. In the millions period we have 3 places, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. Here's the important rule, place a comma after every 3 digits from the right side.
Only groups of 3.
Yes. In the international system, we always group digits in threes. Example, 87655-42, start from the right. Make groups of 3 digits.
That looks easier to read. 87,655,242.
Expanded form. The place value of a digit changes according to its position in a number. The place value of all the digits of a number in the form of sum is called its expanded form. Let's take an example, 40,807. Let's break it apart. 4 is in the 10,000s place, it becomes 40,000. 8 is in the hundreds place, it becomes 800. 7 is in the ones place, it becomes 7. So we write 40,000 plus 800 plus 7.
That is called the expanded form.
Approximate values and exact values. In daily life, we do not always need the exact number. Sometimes an approximate value is enough. For example, 45,781 people visited zoo. 3,507 milk packets sold. So instead of saying 45,781, we can say approximately 46,000. Instead of 3,507, we can say about 3,500.
Ma'am, why did some numbers increase and some decrease?
When we increase a number to the next higher value, it is called rounding up. When we decrease it to a lower value, it is called rounding down. For example, there are 854 students and food packets must be ordered in multiples of 50. Which option is closer? 850 or 900?
850 is closer.
But 850 packets will not be enough for all students. So we order 900 packets. This is called rounding up. Let's take the number 67,28,508. Nearest hundred is 67,28,500. Nearest thousand is 67,28,000. Nearest 10,000 is 67,30,000.
Ma'am, the number becomes smaller each time.
Yes. When we reduce a number to a lower place value, it is called rounding down. Use of estimation. Estimation helps us find the approximate value of a sum, difference, product, or quotient.
Ma'am, when do we use it?
When we want a quick answer. When checking whether our calculation is reasonable. When the exact value is not necessary. Example, estimate the sum of 5,63,158 and 5,19,852. When no place value is mentioned, we round to the highest place value. Highest place value here is lakh. 5,63,158 is rounded to 6 lakhs. 5,19,852 is rounded to 5 lakhs. Estimated sum is equal to 6 lakhs plus 5 lakhs equals 11 lakhs. Actual sum is equal to 5,63,158 plus 5,19,852 equals 10,83,010. Now round the actual sum to the nearest lakh. 10,83,010 is rounded to 11 lakh.
Ma'am, our estimation was correct.
Yes. Estimation gives us a close and reasonable answer. Important rule: if no place value is mentioned, estimate to the highest place value. Properties of multiplication. In the commutative property, we can change the order of numbers while multiplying.
Let's check. 3 multiplied by 15 is equal to 45 and 15 multiplied by 3 is equal to 45.
Changing the order does not change the product. Therefore, A multiplied by B is equal to B multiplied by A. This is called the commutative property of multiplication. Let's do quick check. What is 7 multiplied by 4? Now write 4 multiplied by 7. Are they equal?
Yes.
7 multiplied by 4 is equal to 28 and 4 multiplied by 7 is equal to 28. So, the product is 28 in the both cases.
Can we change the grouping of 3 numbers? Let us see. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 6 multiplied by 5 is equal to 30. 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 15 multiplied by 2 is equal to 30. 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 10 multiplied by 3 is equal to 30.
The answer is the same.
The rule is A multiplied by B multiplied by C is equal to A multiplied by B multiplied by C. This is called the associative property of multiplication. Let's think and try. 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 and 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Are the answers equal?
4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 24. 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 24. The answers are equal.
We can break a number into parts and multiply. 23 multiplied by 12. 23 multiplied by 10 plus 2. 23 multiplied by 10 plus 23 multiplied by 2. 230 plus 46 is equal to 276. The rule is A multiplied by B plus C is equal to A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. This is called the distributive property of multiplication over addition. This also works with subtraction. 281 multiplied by 97. 281 multiplied by 100 minus 3. 281 multiplied by 100 minus 281 multiplied by 3. 28,100 minus 843 is equal to 27,257. Rule: A multiplied by B minus C is equal to A multiplied by B minus A multiplied by C. Magic in multiplication. If you multiply a number by 10, 100, 1000 etc. and then divide by 2, what do you notice?
Let's try with 36. 36 multiplied by 10 divided by 2. 360 divided by 2 is equal to 180.
Now I'll try 36 multiplied by 5. 36 multiplied by 5 is equal to 180.
The answers are the same.
Exactly. Because 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. 100 divided by 2 is equal to 50. 1000 divided by 2 is equal to 500. If you multiply a number by 100, 1000 etc. and divide by 4, it is the same as multiplying by 25, 250 etc. Because 100 divided by 4 is equal to 25. 1000 divided by 4 is equal to 250. Example: 16 multiplied by 25 is equal to 16 multiplied by 100 divided by 4 is equal to 400. Fascinating facts. Look what I found in this book. It is about Purandar Dasa.
Who was he, ma'am?
He was born in 1484 and died in 1564. He is known as the Sangeet Pitamaha, the father of Carnatic music.
What made him so special?
He composed about 4,75,000 songs in 40 years. How long did he live?
1564 minus 1484 is equal to 80 years.
Here's another interesting fact. The distance between the Earth and the Sun is approximately 2,100 multiplied by 70,000 is equal to 147 million kilometers.
Does the distance stay the same?
No, it changes throughout the year. The farthest distance recorded is about 152 million kilometers.
Ma'am, Look at this book. It says the Amazon River sends a huge amount of water into the Atlantic Ocean.
Yes, the Amazon River discharges about 6,400 multiplied by 62,500 liters.
That's a very big number.
Let's understand it step by step. 6,400 multiplied by 62,500 is equal to 400 million liters per second, about 400 million liters every second.
That's unbelievable.
Yes, it is the largest river discharge in the world.
So maths helps us understand even rivers.
Exactly. Big numbers help us understand the greatness of nature.
Show book train picture in it. Ma'am, look at this. It says the longest single train journey is about 13,95,000 divided by 150 equals 9,300 kilometers.
Yes, the Trans-Siberian Railway is considered the longest railway line in the world. It runs from Moscow to Vladivostok and takes about 7 days to complete the journey.
7 days on a train. That's long.
In India, the longest single train journey is about 4,219 kilometers.
That train crosses so many states.
Exactly. Big numbers tell big stories.
Ma'am, look. It says the blue whale is the largest and heaviest animal on earth.
That's correct. A blue whale can weigh more than 200 tons.
That's huge. Is it heavier than dinosaurs?
Some extinct whales like Perucetus colossus may have been heavier, but the blue whale is the largest living animal. Amazing facts. A newborn blue whale weighs about 700 kilograms. That is almost equal to an adult hippopotamus. The heart of a blue whale also weighs around 700 kilograms. It can eat up to 3,500 kilograms of krill every day.
That means it eats more than 3 tons of food daily.
Exactly. Numbers help us understand how amazing nature really is.
Ma'am, I found something amazing. It says Argentinosaurus was the largest land animal ever.
Yes, Argentinosaurus was a giant sauropod dinosaur.
How big was it?
It weighed about 110 tons. Its height was up to 40 meters, about 130 feet.
That's taller than many buildings.
Yes, it was a plant-eater, herbivore, with a small head, long neck, long tail and strong legs.
Dinosaurs were really amazing.
Ma'am, it says in 2021 the world produced 52,000 million divided by 130 is equal to 400 million tons of plastic waste.
Yes, around 400 million tons in just 1 year.
That's a huge amount.
Plastic waste has increased more than 7 times in the last 40 years. In 1950, the world produced only 2 million tons. Now, it produces over 450 million tons.
Plastic is useful, right?
Yes, it is cheap, strong and used in construction, home appliances, medical instruments, food packaging. But if plastic is not recycled or properly managed, it becomes pollution.
Where does the waste go?
Nearly 1 to 2 million tons of plastic enter our oceans every year, harming marine life and ecosystems.
So we must reduce and recycle plastic.
Exactly. Small steps can protect our planet.